three-wheelers, heading off into Farmhouse Bank, that's to the Longbourn Cross. Meanwhile, on our first visit to Harewood, next unit on the hill, 948 Aaron Hall and Gareth Rawley, FRS helicopter Trike. There into Farmhouse Bank. Time to carry on with 71, 31.